when disaster strikes? Are we talking to each other? And are we speaking the truth or hiding the truth? Then are we responding collectively? And then finally, when we rebuild, do we rebuild, together or separately? Whether we're talking about health or education or jobs, I would say these are key things in the community context. Please remember that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere, right? And so the solidarity we're all speaking about has to cross borders.
There are lots of misinformation we call the epidemic. Media or internet, it makes it very difficult to deal with this kind of situation. So I hope all of you keep very calm and listen, collect information.
Investment should come with economic opportunities that ultimately bring empowerment and better preparedness in the future, rather than just the response model. Every time there's an outbreak, we are also happy to mobilize resources to respond. But in the meantime, between epidemics, we forget again about how the global health means really global responsibility.
You've seen a huge amount of upheaval over your life, and you've been at the forefront of it, Albie. How do you feel what's happening now resonates, and what advice do you have for us as we're going through and living this situation?
I read somewhere somebody said the advantage of being pretty old is you can always remember times when things were worse, and in a sense, I grew up during World War II, which was just such a huge, terrible calamity with destruction. We got through it, and we came out, in a sense, stronger because we repudiated the racism, the Nazism, and so on. I've lived through the struggle against apartheid, which was this cruel form of oppression, institutionalized, backed up by powerful states throughout the world with racist, often theological kind of background. We got through that. And so from that point of view, we'll get through this calamity. And hopefully we will come out stronger for it. And one of the things that has come through to me has been the extraordinary sense of interdependence between human beings.
Do you have any final words of advice for us, Albie? As a young generation coming forward, we're trying to bring connections and ensure that we build what Mohammed described as a new social compact of trust.
I've got a stock answer. When young people ask me for advice, I say the only advice I'll give you is don't listen to the advice from people like me. Be as cheeky, irreverent. You don't look to us for advice. You listen to us. You see what we've done. You criticize our mistakes. You learn from the good things that we've done. You take heart from us if you like. That's all I offer you. But you've got to find your own way, and you've got to be sharp, and you've got to be better than us. And that's one thing one can expect of every generation. Be better than us. Take out the good. There I'm offering you advice. I'm telling you not to accept my advice, but take out the good that you can see in what we're doing, and be better in terms of the bad things that we've done.